always a rainbow within reach. On Animal Island, on Animal Island, yeah, on Animal Island, on Animal Island, come on.
Hello.
Hello, hello, it's time to say hello. Hello, hello, let's stop to say hello. It's a way to say we're glad you're here. Come on and say hello.
Hello, Hedgehog. Hello, Fox. Hello, Pig.
Hello, Monkey.
When friends are near, we smile and say hello. When friends are far, we wave and say hello. It's a friendly word that shows we care. Come on and say hello.
Hello, Mr. Frog. Hello.
Hello, Mr. Goose.
Hello. Hello, friend.
Hello.
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 Hi, nice to see you. Hello.
This song is about colors. Start with yellow, red, and blue. Yes, we do. Start with yellow, red, and blue. Now take two. Mix two colors and you'll make something new. Start with yellow, red, and blue. Yes, we do. You can also add a little bit of black or white. Yeah!
It's so good to see you again. The rest of the gang is already here. Let's see what Pig is up to.
Hi, Pig. What are you painting?
Can you tell what it is?
A yellow sun.
That's right! Let's see if you can guess what my other paintings are. What's this?
A yellow house.
Yes! And what's this?
It looks like a yellow flower.
That's right!
What's this one?
That's a yellow wiggle bug. Did you notice something about all my paintings? Look again. I painted a yellow sun, a yellow house, a yellow flower, and a yellow wiggle bug. What do they all have in common?
They're all yellow.
That's right! Today I'm only painting yellow things.
Pig's paintings give me an idea. Let's make yellow our special color of the day. Which pencil is yellow? There it is! Yellow pencil. Which kite is yellow? There it is! Yellow kite. Which hat is yellow? There it is! Yellow hat. Which flower is yellow? There it is! Yellow flower. Very good!
Pig, Fox, I'm going to show you a new way of painting.
Ooh!
I don't see any paintbrushes.
That's right, Fox. We're not going to paint with paintbrushes.
Huh?
Huh?
We're going to paint with sponges. Ready to see what happens?
Okay.
Do you want to start with blue paper or red paper?
Blue, please.
take red, please.
Great! Now, pick up a sponge. Dip it in the yellow paint. And start painting.
Oh, look! My paper is turning orange. Because red and yellow make orange.
My paper's turning green.
That's right.
Look how smooth it looks.
I'm tapping my sponge. It looks rough, like rocks.
Smooth and rough are textures. Say it after me. Textures.
Textures. I'm done.
Me too.
Let's hang up your paintings and look at them. What's something that's the same about your paintings?
We both painted with sponges.
That's right. What else?
We both painted with yellow.
Yes. And what's something different about your paintings?
Mine came out green, and Pig's is orange.
And my painting is rough, but Fox's is smooth.
That's right. Now, what do we do when we're done painting?
We go play.
Uh-huh.
But first,
We clean up.
Oh, right.
that's right. Let's clean up together.
Okay.
Hi, Ms. Panda. What are you doing?
Hi, Monkey. I cut out all of these colored shapes, and now I'm sorting them.
Can I help?
I would love it if you helped. Thank you, Monkey. First, find all the blue circles and put them in a box.
Okay. There's one. There's another one. This is a circle.
That's brown. We only want blue circles.
Oh, right. I forgot. Here's a blue circle.
Thank you, Monkey. Now, let's gather all of the green hearts.
Okay. Here. Here. Here's one. And here.
Splendid!
Should I look for yellow diamonds now, Miss Panda?
That's a good idea.
Okay. Here. Here. And here.
Great! And what's left?
2 brown circles.
Okay, let's put both of them in their own box.
Okie dokie. We've sorted all the shapes.
Thank you so much, Monkey.
What are all of these shapes for?
Whatever we want. We can use them to make art projects.
Ooh, I could pretend these 2 brown circles are coconuts. Look.
You certainly could, Monkey. And you could use these green hearts to be tree leaves.
It's story time.
Yay!
Gather round, everyone.
What book are we reading?
We're reading this one. It's called The Drawing Game. I wonder how you play that game. Well, let's find out together. Let's begin. The Drawing Game. Written by Anita Murthy. Illustrated by Ajanta Guhathakurta. Jenna is spending her summer holidays at her grandma's house. She has no friends here. She is bored. Play with me, Grandma, she says. Grandma says, Go get a piece of chalk. Let's play a game. Jenna is excited. What game will Grandma play? Grandma draws a shape. Can you guess what this is, she asks. It is a circle. Jenna makes a face. This does not seem like a game. Yes, but it is also something more, says Grandma. Jenna thinks. Then she smiles. It is a smiley face, Jenna says. Grandma claps. You understand the game. Look at what I have drawn, says Jenna. Grandma draws another shape. A triangle, Jenna shouts. Then she laughs. Look what I have made. Well done, Jenna, says Grandma. Grandma draws more circles and triangles. Look who has come to play with us. Grandma draws a shape with 4 sides. Is it a rectangle, Jenna asks. Look carefully, says Grandma. It is a special kind of rectangle. All the sides are the same length. It is a square, shouts Jenna. Look, Grandma, I have turned it into a window. Do you want a tree near your window, asks Grandma. Yes, Grandma, thank you, says Jenna. Jenna looks at all the chalk drawings. Now she wants to paint them. Soon Jenna holds up her painting. Oh my! I see so many circles and triangles and squares, says Grandma. Yes, but they are also something more, says Jenna. It is a bird flying to its home in a tree. And guess who is coming to lunch? Her best friend, Mr. Giraffe. That's so clever, Jenna, Grandma exclaims. Jenna wants to draw some more. What do you think Jenna and Grandma draw next? The end.
Thank you, Mr. Goose.
Thank you for reading with me. Kids, it's time for a sing-along with Mr. Frog.
Yay!
Remember to say hello when you see him.
Hello, kids!
Hello, Mr. Frog.
Let's sing Wheels on the Bus. I'll sing the first verse, then you sing along with me, okay?
Okay!
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. Now sing along with me. The horn on the bus goes beep, beep, beep.
The horn on the bus goes beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep, beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, beep, beep. All through the town.
The babies on the bus say wah, wah, wah.
The babies on the bus say wah, wah, wah. Wah, wah, wah. Wah, wah, wah. The babies on the bus say wah, wah, wah. All through the town.
One more. The mommies on the bus say, don't you cry.
The mommies on the bus say, don't you cry. Don't you cry. Don't you cry. The mommies on the bus say, don't you cry. All through the town.
Well done! Thank you for singing with me.
Thank you, Mr. Frog.
Goodbye.
Here's something we already did. Let's do it again.
Envelope. Envelope. Exercise. Exercise. Elephant. Elephant. egg. Egg begins with E. Egg.
What letter do all these words start with?
E.
That's right. The letter E.
Hey, everybody! Let's practice our letters by playing the alphabet game.
Yay!
I want to hear you, too.
Let's all play the alphabet game. When I show you a letter, say its name.
Are you ready?
Yeah!
What's this letter?
E.
What's this letter?
F.
What's this letter?
L.
What's this letter?
T.
Now let's do it fast.
E. F. L. T. F. T. L. E. T. E. L. F. L. F. E. T.
Nice work, everybody.
That's how you play the alphabet game. When you see a letter,
You say its name. The letter T. Peekaboo. Now, where did you go? Oh, there you are! I'm glad we saw each other today. See you!
And now it's time to say goodbye. Let's sing our goodbye song.
Goodbye, goodbye, it's time to say goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye, let's stop to say goodbye before we say hello again. We need to say goodbye.
Goodbye, friend.
Goodbye.
Bye! Goodbye!
Time to rest. Take a deep breath in. Let it out. Good. Listen.
hey diddle diddle, the cat and the fiddle, the cow jumped over the moon. The little dog laughed to see such sport, and the dish ran away with the spoon. Hey diddle diddle, the cat and the fiddle, the